Hi everyone. For today's video is we are going to talk about if I experience something goodness or kindness from someone else. This vlog is entitled The Good Deed Vlog. So before anything else, I will introduce myself first. My name is Lorene Magdayaw Bonbon. I am a fourth year college student from Bachelor of Elementary Education. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. So let's go back to the topic that I was talking about earlier. Did someone did goodness or kindness to me? Yes. That's the answer. Yes, there's one time kasi na uuwi ako. Pumunta ako ng bayan. But before I go there, I eat muna sa isang karinderya malapit sa Happy Buy, if you know that. The name of the canteen is Genius Canteen. Yes, it's near the terminal to the na pumupunta ng Magara or Little Karamay or Kapalan. Yes, so I eat at the mini canteen, and then after ko kumain doon is pumunta na ako sa jeep. So when I was at the jeep, I was looking for my phone because I'm going to chat my mother that I will be home. So I was looking for it and I can't find it inside my bag or my pocket. And I realized that maybe I left it somewhere. But after a few minutes, um, there's one person who approached me and told me that I left my phone at the mini carinderia. So he gave it to me. And I was so thankful that this person is kind and honest. So honest. So I was so happy because there's still a chance that there's a lot of people who's still honest and kind and ready to help other people. So, kasi 'di ba, pwede naman nilang itago or ibenta yung phone ko cause kahit na kasi sa sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon, kailangan ng pera, 'di ba ganun? So, I'm so thankful talaga and I am so happy that there's still people who's kind and honest. So, the ethical value or virtue that demonstrated that is kindness and honesty. Yes. So, sabi ko nga, I felt so happy and grateful that there's still people who's kind and honest. That's why I learned a lesson that from that experience, I need to be more careful and be more mindful about the things that I was holding when I was outside. So I need to be careful and protect my things, as well as I learned that there are still people who's kind and honest despite of having this hard life. So that's it. So how will this influence your future decisions or actions? This will influence my future decisions or actions through being more mindful and careful of the things that we are ano ba, yung dinadala natin palagi, that we need to protect that, and as well as I will always be considerate of the people around me, and I will trust the person, or if kasi dahil sa experience na to, I learned that there are still people who's kind and honest. So that way, in that way, I can be more mindful of the actions that I will be doing in the future. That's all. Thank you.